Hi guys, I'm Ria from Super Science. Today we are going to see what will happen to the vinegar and the baking powder when put in a sealed baggie. For this experiment we will need vinegar, a measuring cup, zip top baggie, toilet paper and baking soda. First I'll take a toilet paper. Here I have a couple of toilet papers. Next, I will take 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now, I will just fold the tissue paper with the baking soda. Then I will fold the tissue paper again, and then I'll just keep it aside. Next, I will take 1/2 cup of vinegar. Now I will pour the 1/2 cup of vinegar into the baggie. Next, I'll put the pouch of baking powder into the bag. And now I will seal it. Shake it. Shake it. And now you can see that the baking powder and the vinegar are transformed to carbon dioxide. And now it's coming up. From this experiment, we learned that when baking soda and vinegar mixes, carbon dioxide is released. I hope you like my experiment and please subscribe, like and click the notification bell. Thank you and bye.